And from here, as you can see, you have this 3 cables on here. What you will be using is this one here, the one that has 2 lines on both ends, so TRS. Very self-explanatory. There is only one port on here, 3.5 millimeter. So just connect it there. And now the other end, you can technically connect it to the mic port. And for that, you will need this adapter. So TRS 6.5 millimeter. So just connect it there and then connect this one to there. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually reading already over there. And by the way, the setup in this scenario is still the same. So the cord is the same. And again, this lavalier microphone is connected to this one, to this SC3 mixer. Okay, so the plan is once I edit this video, the audio from this phone over here, I will combine it or sync it to the other video I am taking right now, so that as you are watching this video, you can hear right away the audio output or the recorded audio from this phone over there. Okay, I'm gonna start my recording over here. Okay, sound check, testing 1 2 1 2 3 4. This time the audio output is super clear. So from here, whatever you're listening to, this is now the recorded audio to this phone over here. And again, this M9 wireless lavalier microphone is currently connected to this SC3 FIFINE mixer. Okay, and let's do a test with this
voice changer. There you go, it does work.
Sound check, testing
1 2.
And again, please remember, make sure mic monitoring is turned on, otherwise you will not hear it. There you go. So make sure that is turned on, and of course volume is here, same as earlier. And this time the volume here doesn't really matter because we're not connecting it to an external speaker. There it is, sound check, testing 1 2 1 2 3 4. And if I'm going to connect background music like earlier, it's pretty much the same thing, but this time it's actually pretty clear. Okay, so right now I'm going to play this one. There you go. Okay, as you notice, audio output is super clear, and you can adjust the volume from here or from the device itself. There you go.